Hey guys, real quick video here. We're working on a 2014 Audi A8L 4.0 Turbo Quattro, and we are going to take off this front passenger side tire. Real quick video here for those of you that are new owners of an Audi and you just can't figure out, you know, how to get that rim off, how to change that tire. First thing first, you're going to need a pick tool or a flat blade screwdriver, some safety glasses, some gloves preferably, a jack stand, and maybe a block of wood. Those are the items you're going to need right there, and that is just a cloth to lay down on the ground to keep from getting dirty. So first thing first, if you look at your rim and you can't figure out just how to get in there to those lug nuts, that's where the pick tool will come in handy. You get the pick tool, you stick it on one of the ears right there like so, wedge it down in there, and you can either pull it off with the pick tool or grab it with your hand like I just did. Next, you want to get, if you're going the next step further, to take the tire off. So again, guys, first thing you're going to want to do is get your 11/16 socket and breaker bar. It's 1/2-inch drive, or if you're strong enough, and you don't feel like, or your gun's strong enough, I have a 1/2-inch impact, electric impact gun, but I just want to get that thing a break. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my breaker bar, stick it on each lug nut, and break it loose like so on each and every one of those bad boys before I lift the vehicle off of the ground. That way the lug nuts have the weight of the vehicle on there, and it's going to help me to break those bad boys loose. Okay, so next, after you do that, you're going to come over and find your lifting point, which is right behind this passenger side front tire. So we're going up underneath the vehicle, and if you look right here, there's the lifting point right there. There's the lifting point. So you want to stick your jack right there at that lifting point. It's a little lip and a plastic groove, and it's made onto that vehicle just for this purpose. So we have our jack at our lifting point. And we're gonna commence to lifting the vehicle just a hair. We're gonna double check our lifting point to make sure that it's accurately on it, and it is. So we're going to commence to lifting the said vehicle and that front tire till we get it off the ground just high enough to take those lug nuts off. All right, guys, as you can see, the tire is just barely off the ground. Now you can commence to take that tire off with your 11/16 socket and get it all the way off. All right, now we have all of those spun out of the way. You can see the tire It just doesn't want to come off. We have all of the lug nuts out of the hose. So what you want to do in this case is just bump it and see, pop right off the vehicle. Next, we're going to move the tire out of the way. At this point, this tire is perfectly fine. At this point, if your tire was flat and needing replacing, this is where you would go get your spare and or a new tire and put it on in the reverse order of how we just took this tire off. After you tighten each and every lug nut with your gun and or ratchet wrench, or ratchet half-inch drive, then you would get your torque wrench and torque it at 110 foot-pounds and go from there, folks. Thanks for watching. I hope that you find this automotive vehicle video helpful on the 2014, 2015, 2016, 2013 Audi A8 Quattro 4.0 turbo tire change video helpful. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.